Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making homemade bread. Alright, so this is the ingredients list. You can pause to take a look. So here I have a quarter cup of shredded coconut and a quarter cup of oats. I have 2 cups of white flour and 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 2 eggs, sesame seeds, flax seeds, and salt. A quarter cup of honey here, a half cup of milk, and a 1/3 cup of water combined. Here I have a quarter cup of butter. So we're going to add our milk. Okay, so I am using a bread machine to make this. If you are using a stand mixer, well, then, you just add everything as you see. I'm adding all the liquid ingredients in first in this case. It doesn't really matter the order in which you add everything in, because usually when I do use my stand mixer, I actually add in the dry ingredients first, and then I will mix everything together, and then I would add in the liquid ingredients. But when I did use this bread machine, well, you saw what I did there. Basically, when you're using your stand mixer, you add like I said, I usually add my dry ingredients first, and then I will have it mix it. So it will mix in the salt, and it will mix in the whatever else it is, and you just mix everything. That's the yeast there that you'll have to add to it. You'll have to go back to the beginning of the ingredients list to see how many teaspoons you would use for that. All right. When it was mixing, in my case, I noticed that it needed a little more liquid, and so that's why I was adding more water to it. So that is something that can vary based on humidity and where you live. So, you would have to make that determination whether you need to add more water or not when you knead in your dough. But basically, you put all the things that you saw, and I did add a little more flour, sorry, because I think I had added a little too much liquid there. Anyway, that's it there. You leave your dough to rise. I left mine to rise about an hour. And then now it's enough to make 2 loaves of bread, so I cut mine in half. And then I formed the 2 loaves that you would need. So that will be 1. And this will be the other one. Now I did put some oats on top of it as well. What you could do if you want to put oats on top, you could sort of like brush it with some butter and then put the oats. I didn't do that. I just pressed the oats on to the top of the bread, as you can see here. All right, and then you put it in the oven to bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for between 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it, your delicious homemade bread. Enjoy!